you're using your towel for other purposes, say for example, you're using it to take off makeup items, there's going to be residues from makeup that builds up in the textile that do need to be removed, only because when those residues linger, they do serve as a place for bacteria and other organisms to build up on the textile, and it will contribute to odor, malodor developing within that textile. So washing your towels routinely, the laundering practice, is important. You want to make sure that when you do wash towels that you are very thoughtful or considerate to the fact that you don't want to overload your machine. You still want to be able to put your towels into the machine, if you have a front-loading washing machine, you want to be able to still stick your arm on top of the towels and not have it so stuffed that there's no space on the top, because there needs to be free movement of those towels in the washing machine so that the water rinses through the entire textile, lifts away oil, dirt, and debris, but also doesn't redeposit on the textile. You want to make sure that you do this effectively so that you get the best cleaning results. If there's lots of residues on your textile, then you want to consider adding in fabric rinses. These are products that are actually designed to work by putting them in your fabric softener drawer, and they get released at a certain point in the cycle so that they can actually lift out residues from your textile even more effectively than regular detergent could. By maintaining these best laundering practices, not only do you increase the durability of your textiles, you increase the longevity of your textiles. It actually